Hallo lieve mooie spirits. Ik ben samen met aan het wandelen. De vriendin van mijn zoon. Dus we gaan lekker aan het wandelen. Ik laat haar hier alles zien. Look, I love that water. Oh, the wind here. Oeh. Dus ik zal niet veel zeggen. Ja, je zal me Engels horen praten. Ze komt uit Zweden, dus ik kan geen Nederlands. Ah. Oh. I love the wind. It doesn't make it so hot. Oh, there are flowers on here.
Oh, they're blackberries.
Oh, the blackberries.
Yeah. You have to come here in like
Oh
a
yeah.
few weeks.
Oh, frambozen. We call it frambozen. You call it blackberries? Okay. I know that. It's really nice. When do they come out then? When do they?
Usually, well, since they're a little earlier here than
It's not strawberry? No.
No. I think they'd be, I'd say like middle of July maybe?
Oh, Brahman. We call it Brahman, I think. Yeah, Brahman.
They're so spiky.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
There's so many of them.
Oh.
Oh, and the elderflower right next to it. Nice.
Do I see a little mushroom there or on top of the wood?
Little types of mushrooms that grow on dead trees.
Oh, this is so good. We go to the left here. Just look so around.
Here or the next one?
Here, watch me. Het wordt heet binnenkort, lieve mensen. 3 dagen over 30 graden. I never know what kind of birds.
Yeah.
And I don't understand this part. They have fenced it off, a lot of trees, and I don't know why that is.
I don't know. Weird.
I don't even know what kind of trees there are. What's that? Look at the red things on the floor.
Yeah.
Looks like almost like strawberry. Are you eating those?
That was not a tasty strawberry.
Watch out that you don't poison yourself. Are those strawberries?
Yeah, but they have no taste.
No, because they're too small maybe yet. So they're still growing.
Like, literally doesn't taste of anything.
Okay.
That's weird.
So those are all. So what kind of tree is
I
this?
have no idea.
Me neither, but they protect it with like this. Or maybe it's because of the strawberries that are growing here. I don't know. Oh, look at that tree, Anja. All burned or something?
I think it's just dead and
It's dead.
yeah, probably.
Poor tree.
Yeah. But other things can grow on it.
True.
Let's see.
There's big ones, bigger ones.
Yeah.
Aardbeidjes mensen, allemaal aardbeidjes.
Field maple.
Strawberries.
It's a type of maple tree apparently.
Maple tree,
It's
okay.
a field maple. It's a different type of.
Yeah, I just don't know why they need to fence it
Yeah.
off for some reason. Oh, must be a reason for it, I guess. Maybe they need to be protected by the other nature.
Maybe.
You know, look at that. It says stoute bankje. And it means in English, bad. Like, you've been bad, kind of thing. And then bankje means bench.
Yeah.
Like, bad bench. Like, you've been bad. I'm like, what the fuck is that for name? That was funny. Heerlijk weer, mensen. Oh. Hier weer van die witte pluizendingetjes. Het lijken op paardenbloemen. Zijn dat paardenbloemen? Look.
Yeah.
Fluffy.
Once these actually are fully grown, they will be like a beautiful purple.
Yeah.
Still very spiky.
Is it?
Yeah. These are so spiky.
Ow.
Ow.
Yes.
Yeah. But they're pretty.
There are. There will be.
It almost looks like it's a labyrinth.
Yeah.
Maybe they are planning on making it into a labyrinth, and that's
Probably,
why it's like,
maybe. That can be, but there's a little small labyrinth then. That's what I like the color
yeah.
difference and light and dark and color difference. Ooh, that's beautiful. The little purple ones.
I think that's also the blackberries. Yeah, it's the
Oh,
blackberries.
all the leaves going up.
Oh, ducks. Many ducks.
Oh, wow. I always go to this spot because I like this spot.
Hey, little duckies.
Hey, ducky. Ooh, that's many ducks. Look, how many duckies.
So pretty. Oh my god, there's this swing. You can just jump in the water and swing.
Yeah, you can. Good luck.
If I
Go
had a
ahead.
bikini,
You
I would.
first. I watch.
If I had a bikini, I would.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Oh. Wow, such a nice picture. Look, the whole tree is like
Yeah.
in the water. And feathers, a lot of feathers. White feather. I will show you some houses in a minute. Oh, I just like those.
Over the bridge.
Yes. To the second island. This is a little island,
Oh.
and that's a little island. Connected with bridges.
Oh, look, another heron walking there in the water.
Ooh.
I like the
not
way
wrong.
they look when they walk.
Yeah, it's like sneaky.
Yeah.
It's like, there's a lot of ducks though.
Yeah.
My God. Loads of ducks. I'm gonna make a picture. If I can come close. No, don't. Don't. Oh, he flew away.
Oh no, wasn't a nice picture, unfortunately.
Oh, it was good though.
No, I mean, it's a
I
little
had
blurry.
nothing. So,
But you can see it in motion when it flies by.
yeah.
Can't see any fish.
No.
The water is too dirty to see the fish.
Here it is. Yeah,
And
here
that's
it's
what
dirty.
happens when it's really warm. The algae starts growing.
Ah, true, yeah. Look, look at that. With a smiley.
Cute.
Cute.
The ducks are so cute.
Yeah, they are.
I like the ones that are like a little different color.
Exactly.
Like the light ones.
I like the ones that I sometimes... Ooh, what's
Also
that?
ducks there.
Oh, ducks. Oh, meerkoet. We call it
Yeah.
meerkoet. Cool.
In Swedish, they're called sultana,
Soethana?
which translates to like ash chicken.
Oh,
ash
ash
hen.
chicken.
They're
Okay.
not chickens. I like the way. Have you ever seen their feet? They don't have like the way the ducks have, where they have the skin in between.
Yeah.
They have like little bubbles
Really?
that like fill up.
Ooh, butterfly.
Yeah, they fill up when they are in water.
Okay. Strawberries again.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat them.
They're
because not
everywhere.
gonna taste good.
Ooh,
They fooled me.
they fool.
Also,
They don't fool me twice.
you know that these, if you see that they have flowers, they don't sting.
Okay. But those sting.
The ones that don't have flowers on, they sting, but the ones with flowers don't sting.
These sting, right?
Yeah. It depends.
I know.
If you see the little flower buds, then they don't have the stinging in them,
Okay.
because otherwise that would scare away pollinators. So they don't sting if they bloom.
Okay.
Just
Good to know. Duckies.
Yeah. Maybe we can see them from here. No,
Yes.
they've already swam over there.
Well, no. There's one, at least. Oh, that's meerkoet
Yeah.
again. The tree almost reaches this side. What's this?
I don't know, they planted
They planted
something
it. And they made a fire here,
new. Yeah.
apparently. Cook, cook, cook.
I'm gonna try to take a photo of it. It looks really cute standing there.
Kijk jullie gezellig mee, mensen. Kunnen meeluisteren.
I even got a photo on the. I got a little photo of it.
Oh.
You can kind of see. At one point, there's a dragonfly flying by.
Oh. Huh. Feather. Yep. Put it in there.
I always do that when unless I take you feather home, because some feathers are really beautiful. I will
True.
take home. But sometimes I'll just put them somewhere so other people can see them.
Yeah. But most of the time we see here white feathers, black feathers, or grey, black,
Yeah.
grey, white. Not like very colorful ones yet.
Yeah.
What I like is to do this. And then make a picture. Sometimes you see then beautiful colors will come from the sun.
Yeah.
I really like those kind of pictures.
Yeah, mine didn't have any beautiful colors, but
Me neither.
it looks pretty anyway.
But still nice. I like nature in general also.
Me too. Now there's a really beautiful bird that's really colorful.
What the fuck happened there?
happened?
Oh, those are,
They're
oh,
like
that's
seeds
stuff.
from this tree. And then you can see like there's
Almost looks like wool.
yeah, there's spider webs on the tree that got
Wow,
and
it's
it got
full.
caught on the and oh look at this flower, it's so beautiful.
Oh, that's a nice flower. It was not there last time.
Stop swinging.
That's beautiful. Oh, don't swing. There, beautiful. Oh, stay there. I can make a picture of you. Don't fall in though. And look here. Yeah, got it. It's nice. I sometimes sit here because it's
Yes, but there's little
oh yeah, little gray spots. Oh, lekker wind, jongens, hier. Heerlijk. You're putting all the feathers in the benches.
I'm decorating the benches.
Decorating. Oh, white butterfly. I love butterflies too. That one.
I keep
Oh,
trying to get a
there
photo
it comes.
of
Oh,
of a dragonfly.
very close to
Every
me.
time it sits down and I pull out my phone, it
Yeah.
just flies away.
Oh, I have the same issue. The moment you want to take a picture of it, it's gone. You see one? You got it?
It doesn't want to focus.
Where is
The
it?
tiny ones.
I don't even see it. Where do you see that? Oh, oh, there. Oh,
There
there.
I can take a photo. That's nice. Wait, no.
No, oh, it's a tiny one.
Yeah.
And the one I showed you, there was a bigger one. So I can easily spot it. It's still there. But I don't know which one he's on. Can't see that. Where is it? I know where it is, but I can't find it on
Here.
where your finger is. I don't
It's
even
no
see your
longer-
finger.
now it's blank here. It's here. It's on the rock now.
Yeah, the problem is it's not like sharp. Ah, damn
The
it.
second that you move, that's
Yeah, the second I move.
here. I'm gonna be really close.
I have it on the picture, but it's not like, look. It's
Yeah.
okay, but
Same. Like, that's fine. But I want a really good picture.
there. Does he notice that we're here, you think?
I don't know. I don't think he feels threatened when we don't move. They're really beautiful. I remember when I was a kid and we used to go to my grandparents' summer house, they had a little pond with hundreds of frogs, and there were always the dragonflies. We used to call them helicopters because of the way they fly.
Mm.
We used to have so many. Some were like segmented, so it was green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. They were so beautiful.
That's beautiful, yeah. I'm not sure if he's gonna come.
Please come back. I just want a photo.
Oh, het is lekker weer, mensen. Especially butterflies are hard to
Oh yeah.
take pictures of because they're constantly flying. Well, libelle too, though.
Oh well, I got one photo.
Yeah, same. Normally, there are more bird sounds. I don't know where.
It's probably because it's so hot. They're just
Ah, yeah.
hiding in the shade.
I don't know if it will hit me.
It's nothing
Ooh.
here that
Nice.
I like doing this.
I
Koda
never
always
knew
looks
that.
at me. You just grab a piece of grass and you make sure it's straight in between your thumbs. And there's a little hole.
Oh,
When you blow,
okay.
the grass vibrates and makes a sound.
Learn something, guys. This bench is enough.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
One time when I did that, there were some fallow deer a little further away,
Oh,
and they started answering,
yeah, really?
started calling back.
Cool. That's so awesome.
They probably thought that I was a deer.
They probably thought we're doing this.
Weird deer. Probably.
Weird. That's
Oh no,
all
it's a
family.
weird deer that's in distress. We need to help it.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, it was just me playing with grass.
Yeah, because you don't know what the sound means for them.
Yeah.
Oh, almost fall flat on my face there.
No,
There was like a
that
thing.
would be an interesting video.
Yeah, they will all laugh at me, I'm sure.
Making a close inspection of the ground.
Yeah. What's in the... Did they put like a pot in there or something?
Yeah, something.
Such a shame. And they barbecue sometimes here, I think.
Yeah.
Why not? Unless you put fire to this place, then...
Yeah, but it's close to the water, so if you have
Yeah,
like a
that's
little
true.
bucket or something, if you can just put it out. It's good.
Oh, I heard something. Oh, weird sound. Ooh, 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 libelle. Ah, maybe it's coming back. Oh, it's on the leaf.
Perfect. If it was closer, the plant like here.
It will come here. Come, come, come. Here's a little plant under the water there.
Yeah.
Birds. I heard birds. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, go sit here. Not on this side. I can't see you now. Huh. That's a shame. Oh, I was like, where's the path? It's over here.
It grew when we were in.
Yeah.
Now we're stuck.
Exactly. We're stuck on the other. We have to swim across. Well, this camera is waterproof anyway. Luckily. I want to try that sometimes when I...
Swim with your camera.
Yeah, well, not swim. Well, go in the water with camera and all, and maybe like
Yeah.
film underneath the water.
That would be cool.
I can do that with this camera. That is good. You hear that? It's not a normal duck, though.
No,
What are those?
they look like some kind of ducklings.
Yeah, baby thingies.
Oh my god. God, I just noticed what we walked under.
Apples?
No, these are, I think these are walnuts.
Walnuts?
Yeah, they grow like that and then nothing's inside. My
Oh.
great aunt used to have them in her garden. That's really cool. They look like it.
There, I can see what I'm doing. There. Little bit. Hold on. Yep. They're little babies, I think.
Yeah.
Come to mama. Oh, what's up my phone? Otherwise it's in the water.
Yeah. Because I noticed it down there. I was like, oh, what's that? And I look, oh, I think those are walnuts.
Yeah.
I wonder.
Where are they?
It's probably too early to know. I picked one and I tried to crack it open.
You know more from nature than I do.
I have a little knife with me so I can check.
Ooh,
I
exciting.
always keep it on me just to, like, in case I need to
Yeah,
cut something.
unless you need to kill someone.
Yeah, a very small knife.
Yeah,
Wouldn't really
very
work.
small. Well, it can do the trick though.
Yeah, if you hit just right.
True.
Yeah.
Is that
See?
walnut?
See how this part, the
Yeah.
white, will become the hard outside, and then this will become the nut.
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
Let me make a picture of that. Oh, well, I might see my face. No. Yep, got it. That's nice. Good to know. Als jullie de walnoten willen, er zitten walnoten aan die boom, mensen. Ze zijn nog niet rijp, die vruchten, maar... Zij weet iets meer over de natuur dan ik, dat is wel interessant. Ah, I need to make a picture of it. It is a duckling. It is. I think it looks different than the other one.
Maybe that's what they look like when they grow up, because they start out with the little red head. Oh, look,
Yeah.
Look in the nest. That's a different duck in the nest.
I don't. Oh,
You can kind of see it. It has the like little frills down the side.
in the nest. Let me see if I can reach it.
Oh, it's right there. There. Should be. You can kind of see it moving.
Yeah, it's not sharp at all. It's too far away.
Yeah.
That's a shame. That's nice. Ooh, what butterfly! I see it.
If I came here in autumn, also there's some kind of bird. There's birds look up there in the,
Oh, the black one?
yeah.
I
looks like
see it.
crows or-
Sometimes they are also there, and I took a picture of them like a while ago.
Yeah. That dead tree looks really cool. It
Cool,
looks
huh?
Like a,
It's really cool.
I
Yeah.
don't know. Looks really, really cool.
Come here, little one. Come here, little one. Me, the sound, the baby sound.
Oh, so cute.
It's so adorable. Come. Oh. Yeah, you're cute. But you're too far away.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Look at my hand. I accidentally dyed my hand a little yellow with the juices of the
Oh,
walnuts.
the walnut juice. Oh. This is so nice. Yep.
There's a bird right there sitting on the.
Ooh. I'm afraid it's too far away. That's why I wanted my photo camera.
Yeah.
Because that can zoom out the moon, the crater in the moon. Where is it? Ooh. It's too far away from me. Yep, it's too far away. Het wordt onscherp, mensen. Het is te ver weg. Met het mobiel gaat niet werken.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, well yours is okay. But you have a newer camera than mine, I think. A phone, I mean.
Yeah.
But like my photo camera self,
Yeah.
it's so good with zooming in. Like I said, I can actually zoom in on the moon and see the craters. That's how
Yeah.
maximum zoom I have. Oh, also busy here. Who knows?
Probably just remaking the paths.
We don't understand what you're saying. We're from Sweden. We have no clue.
Yeah.
We just lost
I thought this is what
a match for 5-1.
I just thought this is what the path is supposed to look like.
Yeah, it looks like that normally.
Natural path.
Ooh, that's a look, little blue purple one. Oh, that one is cute. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, kijk dan mensen. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Hi. Oh, if you sit down, I'm gonna make a picture. I never was able to make a picture of that one.
Oh, it's sitting, but its wings are closed.
Ah, why? Open the wings. Where are you? There it is. Oh. Zien jullie het, lieve mensen? Hij moet even gaan zitten. Ga maar zitten, lieverd. Ga maar zitten. Ga maar zitten. Kom op. Oeh. Where is it? I don't even see it on the phone. That's how tiny it is. Oh, so no, it's still there. And now it's gone. Oh well. I can't take a picture. Oh look, hey, he's following me. Hello. Come, little one. I love that little one. I love your color. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
I've never been so close to that purple butterfly though. On the right side, just watch the houses. Just look at the houses. I would not mind living here, seriously. It's beautiful.
Oh, yeah. They remind me a little bit of the summer house my grandparents used to have, because it was also like.
So good. Especially that one, that white one.
I like the other one.
The other one too, yeah.
Their garden looks so. Like,
So good.
there's so many flowers. It just looks
Yeah.
natural.
True.
Which I like.